Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your character's color in Srb2. Customizing your character is a fun way to personalize your gameplay experience. We'll go through the simple steps to access the color selection menu and pick your favorite shade. This process is quick and lets you refresh your look before jumping into any level or multiplayer match. Let's get started and make your character truly yours. First, launch Sonic Robo Blast 2 from your computer. Once the game loads, you'll see the main menu. Use your keyboard's arrow keys or a connected gamepad to navigate. Look for the player setup or character select option, which is usually found near the top or middle of the menu. Press the Enter key or the corresponding action button on your controller to proceed. Inside the player setup menu, you'll find various options for your character. Look for the color or skin color setting. Use the left and right arrow keys to cycle through the different color choices. If you want to revert to a character's default color, simply press the space bar or backspace key. Experiment with the options to find the perfect hue for your character. Once you've chosen your desired color, make sure it's highlighted. Then, navigate back through the menus, usually by pressing Escape or a back button. Your new character color will now be applied. You can then start a new single-player game, join a multiplayer server, or continue your adventure with your freshly colored character. Enjoy your personalized Srb2 experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.